Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm filming this lilac-y mauve purpley look. So if you want to know how I created it and what products I used to create this look, please keep on watching and of course give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, comment something if you want and subscribe to my channel. So first I'll start by applying this Makeup Factory primer base. It's a base for your eyeshadow. Now I'll set it with Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent Pressed Powder. I'll use this shade from Makeup Revolution Iconic Reloaded Vitality Palette. And I'll use it as my transition. Now I'll use shade Amethyst from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I'll apply it with a bit stiffer brush in my crease. I'll use this purple shadow from Essence, it's in the shade 16 Go Glam. And I'll apply it over my whole lid. And to go over it, I'll apply a bit of this shade Twilight. And I'll wet it a bit. Just apply a bit of that shade Amethyst to deepen it up a bit. I think this looks great for now. So let's go to my face. I'll apply a bit of this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. It's in the shade C4. And I've said it before, it's too pink for me. So I'll mix it with this MAC Waterweight in the shade NC20. Since sun is a bit stronger, my freckles came out, so I need to hide them. Actually, I like them, but when I do makeup, I do makeup. I'll blend it all with Real Techniques complexion sponge. So next I'll set my face with this Makeup Factory fixing powder, and this is one of the products I got for the next makeup artist challenge, and I'll leave the link so you can vote for me. We had to do a cut crease and a calligraphic liner. I posted my video of cut crease on my channel. I'll leave that also in the description. And I will post, I think next week, my video with that calligraphic liner. But you can see pictures on the voting site, so be sure to check it out and to vote for me, of course. And I have a video testing out these products, and I think this powder is great, but it's so hard to open. That's one thing I don't like about it, but I've opened it. I'll fix my brows just a bit. And I'll leave also a video on how I do my brows, so you can check that out also. Next I'll do a bit of bronzing and I'll use this Wet n Wild contouring palette. It's in the shade Caramel Toffee. Now I'll do a bit of highlighting and I'm using Mary Lou from the Balm. For a blush, I'm using this Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Bronze, Satin Bronze, yes. Next I'll do my lower lash line and I'm going back to Huda Beauty palette and I'll take this Amethyst shade and blend it on my outer parts. And I'll blend it with that first shade. And I'll apply shade Twilight in my inner parts. And just in my inner corners I'll apply a bit of highlighter. That's popping. Now I'll apply a bit of my mascara and of course I'm using Essence False Lash Mascara. Next I'll apply this lip liner and this is Essence shade Satin Mauve. And to go over that I'll apply this Catrice Ultimate Matte lipstick. It's in the shade Nude Crush Everyday and it's like mauve nude shade. Oh, and I almost forgot, on the end I'll apply these lashes. It's from Azareda Cosmetics and I have a discount code for them. It's Dora 10. I'll leave it on the screen and in the description box as well as the link. These are such beautiful lashes. I mean, these are like more natural, but they have something like this. They have some dramatic ones, really dramatic ones. They have individuals, so they have really everything. And like this, for example, this have invisible band. I don't know if you could see it. Yes, you can. Which I really like. And they are very comfortable on the eyes. Wow, so this was so easy. I forgot my tweezers and I was too lazy to go and get them. So I decided to apply my lashes with fingers, and this was so easy. I really like these lashes and I would highly recommend it to you because you can see they're not dramatic, but they give a bit of something. I don't know, I really like them. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you like it. I like how this turned out and I think this color really suits me. All the products I used will be listed and linked in the description box. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with friends, comment something if you want, and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!